Ever seen a welder solve problems like a genius? Watch this. He grabs a piece of iron and builds an upside-down support frame. Next, he places a welding torch on it and tapes it down. Then he slides in a welding rod. Now he's made a setup for automatic welding, hands-free and super efficient. But what about welding two steel plates with a gap? Pushing them together by hand is almost impossible. So, he welds a screw onto one plate. Then, he attaches a threaded rod on top. Tightening the bolt, pulls the plates together perfectly. Still, what if the gap isn't even? Here's the clever part. He welds a Z-shaped steel piece on top. Then he slides a triangle-shaped steel piece into the gap. By tapping the triangle, he levels out any high or low spots. This makes the surface perfectly flat before welding. Now he can weld the gap with no problem. But if the gap is really wide, using one welding rod takes forever. So, he bundles 3 rods together and welds with all 3 at once. This trick saves a ton of time and effort. That's how a true pro makes welding look easy and smart.